Hi guys, and to show in this video how they did concrete sidewalk. You can see control joint and expansion joint. You can see curb and gutter, saw cut joint, seed and straw, grass, both side here, driveway. Okay, on other side they put tactile warning system here and there. Here they didn't put it. Here in those two buildings at the top, you know, they had an issue with the fire sprinkler system. The pressure is not enough. They took pressure from the utility company here, KUB. They gave them a number. So the mechanical engineer, he did his work according to that number. And then after 1 year, when they finished the building, the pressure is low, so there's no enough pressure. So the solution to fix it, you know, is to build that pump house. You know, here there's a water pump here to feed those two buildings, and there's another one over there to cover the other building. So pump house here, so you can see pressure treated 2x8 and TPO, electrical work. That's something from the utility. The number, the pressure is low. Over there you can see the AC unit on the top of the roof. So same issue with the building, two buildings down, this one and the other one. So they will do the same thing like pump house to help and do good pressure for sprinkler system, and they change it from dry system to wet system. So, and here you can see asphalt paving and striping for parking lots. Okay guys, so here you can see block and metal door, TPO, here electrical meter and all the stuff. That's new work, extra work. That's slow the finish day for the project. Okay guys, you can see sidewalk here, lights, landscaping, plant and tree over there. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe. We'll upload more videos about construction work. Thank you guys, bye.